Secova Metals is a junior gold exploration company with its assets in Quebec. We have two main projects, the Duvet-Chenier Gold Project, which is north of Val d'Or, just outside the town of Amos, and also the Eagle River Exploration Project, was right in the middle of the Windfall Lake camp. The Duvet-Chenier project is our more advanced exploration project. We're about to start drilling. We have 6 defined targets and look to expand that to 18 in the very near future. We will be doing a 5,200 meter drill program and hope to continue, and that's on 6 targets. And we do hope to continue and advance those 6 targets to 18. The Duvet-Chenier project is a more advanced project in that there has been a lot of exploration work done on the project since the 1930s. There's been over 330 holes drilled, but nobody's really been able to put together an understanding of the resource. With Secova right now, we're fortunate because we can take advantage of some of the new technology that's out there to help us advance our projects more quickly. In particular, we've had some success with Abitibi Geophysics, iPower 3D IP. IP program, basically supercharged. What it allows us to do is see the mineralization to a depth of about 400 meters. And we've used that to define 6 cigar-shaped targets on our Duvet-Chenier claim. We're also going to use this technology and continue it for 1.3 kilometers to the northwest, where we hope to increase the number of targets from 6 to 18. And we will eventually use this down in our Eagle River project to help us define targets. It is more expensive than traditional IP, but it gives you 3D pictures of where you should be drilling. So in the long term, it's far less expensive. And in addition, it advances your projects significantly. If we had had this technology at Eagle Hill when we were doing the Windfall Lake, we would have advanced the model by about 3 years. So it's a huge benefit for our company to use this technology and to have the geologists who understand and can help us further advance our exploration through drilling. It's a pretty exciting time right now for Secova and our investors. We discovered this in August of last year, and when we saw that the strike continued to the northwest, the company spent a lot of time and acquired the additional property so that we now have over 7,000 contiguous hectares. And what I would say is elephant country. It's in the Abitibi gold belt. It's a 5-minute drive from Amos, and it's around other mines. The reason why I like the Duvet property initially and the Duvet-Chenier now is that there was a lot of work done on there. We've had some success with a company called Eagle Hill, where we looked at the Windfall Lake project, where it was a similar situation that there had been work done, but nobody was able to do the modeling. We spent some time. I raised $25 million in Eagle Hill. We spent that on the Windfall Lake, came up with a resource of 1.8 million ounces, and now Cisco has just announced that they're going to be drilling 500,000 meters on this property. They took over Eagle Hill and are going to be expanding the resource. We want to do the same thing in the Duvet-Chenier, and we feel that we can do that because some of the work that's been done recently in 2012 was by a company called Horizon. Now, Horizon had the Casa Berardi mine in the area, but we're looking for more ore that they could put through their mill. So they had committed over $40 million in a 5-year period to explore the Duvet. They were then taken over by a company called Hecla, who didn't want grassroots exploration or exploration. They just wanted the ore. So Horizon dropped the project, and we were able to come in and pick it up and have 100% of the Eagle River properties. We are starting some very basic exploration with the intention of defining some targets to start drilling soon. It's a really exciting time for Secova right now. We've recently raised $2.5 million of hard cash. We have $400,000 of flow through in the bank. We've done all the property acquisitions that we feel that we need to do at this time. And we're in a position where we have well-defined drilling targets at the Duvet and Chenier. We will be starting drilling very shortly. And we have some grassroots exploration work to do on our Eagle River project. So we're going to be conducting 2 exploration programs at the same time. Our focus will be on the more advanced Duvet project where we're drilling. We're going to complete the mineralization model that we already have right now through our iPower 3D IP program. We're going to extend that program to the northwest by 1.3 kilometers, hopefully expanding our targets from 6 to 18. And on Eagle River, the intention is to do exploration so that we'll start drilling in the very near future.